guys, welcome back to another video with the NZDayTrading101 channel. So today I'm just going to talk to you a little bit about how the market has been lately and just how at the moment with my personal strategy I can't seem to find any sort of clear day trades in the market. And when I can't find any clear day trades in the market, then I usually don't tend to trade. So for all you guys out there, there's basically two ways you can trade. You can either swing trade by holding it for a few days, or you can day trade, meaning you can get in and out the same day. So my personal strategy, I like a stock that's going higher on some really good volume, and it also has less sellers and more buyers. So firstly, I can't seem to find any stocks that are looking like that. So checking the market depth. So basically right now it looks more like a swing traders market. So some stocks that are good to swing trade, any stock that's kind of setting up. So for swing traders, with swing traders, the best way to swing trade is kind of set up your charts. So just try and look for strategies on your charts where you're going to get in, where you're going to get out. So I'll just take you for an example, so you want basically stocks that are trending higher. So you want to trade in the direction of the trend. So let's look at some stocks here. So this stock I have here is Sky City. So that's just a 15-minute chart. So another thing which is good for swing trading is that never just look at one chart, look at multiple charts. So if you guys line up the direction of a trend using multiple charts, so daily charts, 15-minute charts, 5-minute charts, and everything's looking good, then that's a good sort of way to see the direction which the price is trending. So here we go. So this is Sky City stock. So as you can see, it's trending, kind of trending upwards here. It's forming lower lows. Sorry, it's forming higher lows. So higher low is basically, so when a stock is trending up, higher highs and higher lows are a good way to kind of see the direction that the price is headed in. So this one here is a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and this one should, if it does, then make a higher high again. So also it's good to, you can see the trend line here that I put down. So the trend line is looking good. So it looks like it's trending higher, and it usually has about 3 legs higher. So usually goes 1, 2, then 3, and then it starts to consolidate. So anywhere from 2 to 3 legs. It's quite good. So Sky City could be trending quite high. Again, with swing trading, you don't know how long it's going to take for a stock to reach your profit target. And because each one of these candles here, they represent 1 day. So yeah, for me personally, like I said, I like to be in and out of trades quite quick, but I'm not finding any safe trades to do. And the most important thing is not to force trades. If you can't see anything clear, you don't need to trade. I've been sitting on the sideline for quite a while now. Since there's not really any announcements in the market that are driving stocks higher. So with announcements, so another thing is I check announcements through the NZX. I have a look here, and there's not really any announcement. There's one by SmartPay which had a special meeting or something. But you need something that the kind of booster higher, earnings announcements are really strong. So if a company has a really good earnings announcement, you'll usually see heaps of buying volume to one side. So yeah, so going back to the chart here, yes, this is a example of a swing trade. You can't just line it up. You kind of just saying, all right, this one looks like it's trending higher. I'll get in about 250. If it goes down to about 225, then I'll get out. And it's like a 25 cents, so you want to have a minimum of 2 to 1, so 50 cents, so 250 to $3. So yeah, you could go for a $3 mark here, so it'll kind of start to trend up higher. Yeah, so another one is kind of like Auckland Airport as well. This market that we're trading in is a bit different. It's a very different type of market, because before a lot of NZ stocks were just trending long-term trends higher. Now no stock is long-term trending higher, and everything's kind of down. So it is quite a hard market. My personal strategy is to trade in long-term uptrends. So here's another one. This is kind of setting up for another sort of flat top breakout. So One thing about flat top breakouts, which is really strong, is that the price is kind of squeezing. So here, so the price is kind of squeezing like that, squeezing, squeezing, squeezing. And what happens is the price has nowhere to go and it's in an upwards direction. Usually what happens is just kind of squeezes up. So I know in the US it kind of just, lots of buyers come in. So the shorts usually get squeezed. So short sellers will start buying their stock back and buyers will start buying their stock as well. And it'll just kind of trend higher. So, but this market is obviously a bit different. And it will kind of start to continue trending higher. Yeah, so going back to our swing trade, so here we go. So that's an example of a swing trade. What else? And there are probably other swing trades out there as well. Like myself, like I said, I'm not much of a swing trader. I'll probably do a little, like a small sort of swing trade here and there, but there's many ways you can swing trade as long as you can manage your risk. And remember that whatever your take profit target is, if the trade's not looking good, then just cut your losses early, take a small profit. But remember not to take big losses because big losses are what kind of wipes people out. And yeah, cool. So let's see what other stocks there are out there. So this one's kind of holding steady now. Oops. Here we go. So with this stock here in New Zealand, it's starting to look like it's been downtrending and it's starting to form a little bit of support here. So it kind of look like it might range sideways like this for a little bit. It might continue higher. All right, guys. So it's good to choose whether you're a swing or a day trader. So a day trader basically has news behind stocks, solid volume, and on the market depth, you'll see that it's harder than you sell it. So you can like trade it higher until like the trend breaks. Another reason you'll turn from a day trader into a swing trader is if you got a really good position in and you're up like 5% on a stock and the stock finishes higher, then you could hold it to the next day. That's a really good way to turn from a day trader to a swing trader, but never turn into a swing trader if we're looking to day trade the stock, but the stock has started to go down, and then you're like, all right, I'm going to be a swing trader now. You can't do that. So you've got to stick to your plan. And again, this is a swing traders market right now. We aren't really seeing any earnings announcements. We aren't seeing any sort of like acquisitions. We aren't seeing any like really, good news that's pumping stocks up. So we just have to kind of keep a lookout on stocks and just see what's trending high and what's not. So yeah. All right, guys, thanks for watching this video. As always, please smash that like button below and also subscribe to this channel. I also have an Instagram account. I haven't been updated on it, but I'll look to update it in the future. And we'll see you guys for the next video.